When the market is red, most beginners think that they need to do something, and I usually don't. That's not passive, that's a decision. Let me explain about what most beginners get wrong about red days and why doing nothing is often the smarter move. If we haven't met, I'm Kathy, and I talk about long term investing in a practical way, especially for women who don't want to overthink it. When I first started investing, red days felt like alarms. I questioned every decision. I checked my accounts constantly. I felt like good investors would react quickly. What I didn't know back then is that red days aren't instructions, they're just information. I don't treat red days as emergencies. I treat them as a test to see if my plan actually makes sense. If a red day makes me panic, that's not a market problem, that's a decision problem. When the market is red, I don't ask, what should I do right now? I ask three questions. First, has my long term goal changed? Second, has this reason that I bought this investment changed? Third, would I make this change if the price was higher? Most of the time, the answer is no. And if the answer is no, I don't do anything, I don't make any changes. Sometimes I even buy more, but that's only because I made the decision before there was even a red day. What beginners get wrong about red days isn't about what's happening in the market, it's about how they respond. Red days don't mean that you're bad at investing, that you made a mistake, or that you constantly have to change your plan. They show whether you had a plan going in or whether you were hoping things just kept going up. Good investing is not about avoiding red days, it's about the decisions you can live with when it happens. Doing nothing isn't avoiding a decision, it is the decision when you have a plan. And that takes a lot of unnecessary stress out of investing.